In this video, I'm going to show you how you can crop the camera to a circle in CapCut PC. So this is good for video tutorials where you show your face, or just if you have your own use case for this, this will be very easy. So let's jump into it. So first, import your clips. So I've got 2 clips here from a recent tutorial, which I'm going to highlight and drag onto the timeline. Now you need to put the clip of your webcam obviously above the clip of your screen. And what we need to do now is essentially mask out the circle. You don't have to create a circle, you can create a square instead, a rectangle, but click on the clip of your webcam. Then we need to go over to the video section in the top right hand corner, then go to mask. And once you're here you can choose the mask shape. I'm going to choose circle and then it's going to create that shape. What you need to do from here is make sure that you make the mask as big as it needs to be. So I'm just going to make it as big as it needs to be here and kind of like center it for the face. Now we need to move it. So to do that, go back to basic and you need to move the actual clip and not the mask. So go to basic, then click and try and find here the position. And once you're on the position, you can then just go ahead and move it. And you can change it with the X and Y axis, or you can just zoom in and out with the corners here, but basically place it wherever it needs to be and make it as big as you want it. And there you go, you've got your desired effect, and I hope that video helped.